Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to charge your Huawei Band 9. So all you need to do is simply grab the charging cable that came with your Fit Band. And then from here, you want to ensure that it's no longer tied up like this so it's unraveled. And then once you've done that and you've ensured that it's laying flat on the screen like that, then you want to grab the charging cable. And on one end, you should see these two pins. So these pins should be attached to the back of the band magnetically. So ensure that you've aligned them and ensure that you've done it properly. So it should look something like that. And once you've attached that end to the back of your band, you want to attach the other end to a charging supply. And once you've done that, your band should now start charging. So let me reattach it. And you can see it even shows the percentage, and it's telling you how much percentage it has currently as it's charging. And it also tells you to keep the band clean to avoid any skin irritations. So now you can just let the band charge as you do something else. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.